Heart of the city coming soon. Straight to YouTube and the Facebook newsfeed close to you. But all my closest people getting DVDs. Everybody else, I got you, baby, 2 for 3. That's if you wanna see all my people smoking, drinking, playing dominoes. Fire downtown, homeboy, I smell the smoke. Flip them over, let me count them in your hand. Oh, them 30 points too much, watch the marker throw the pen. Forever in the day, Frizzle, thank you for the music. And I wanna thank every one of y'all for viewing this. Gary Hill filmed it and produced this, but all of y'all could read, so that last verse was useless. And free my cousin Lil Tim, certified superstar with tattooed tears. When you get out, I wanna put some money in your hand. I can't make no promise to you, but you know I got you, fam. Yeah, straight from QB on the east. And then my people over there that's standing in the streets. Every day, you catch somebody on the scene. And on holidays, everybody super clean. Back up, let me thank God first, because it's so mysterious the way that God works. Gary give the people something they wanna see, and put the G Hill production in the corner of the screen. I got a feeling that this how I'm gonna get it. I'm headed to the top, I'm taking everybody with me. East side of Queensboro, the heart of the city, and the mission is a Grammy or a Oscar or an Emmy. And don't worry, cause the show is coming soon to a Facebook news feed near you. Most likely it's a link posted straight from YouTube. Everybody spread the word, I get 100 million views. Shout out to Chris, he helped me out a little bit, cause if he wouldn't have visited, I probably wouldn't have finished this. To tell the truth, I started, but I quit. Now my first mind is saying my priority is this. Take examples and advice from your elders and teach them to your people, guarantee you never fail them. Aunts, uncles, brother, sister, cousins, sometimes you can't stand them, but you know you still love them. How I'm feeling, I don't think that it's a word for it. I can't figure out a noun or a verb for it. And my love for these women is just too long, so I guess I'll be expressing it in a separate song. Mama, I love you. My dear, I love you. And you know that I'll do anything for you. Big house, family portrait in the foyer, with the pool and a view of the water. And to my haters, I don't care what you think. Me and my people gon' be laughing all the way to the bank. Might get my brother on this, because that boy that can spit. Y'all know that boy that legit, that's 2856, look out. Yeah, you see us coming, just like you see the lightning when you hear the thunder rumbling. It's time to take my family from struggling to stunting. Can't sit back and do nothing, so I may as well do something. Let's go. And I'ma start with the heart of the city. East side, Queensboro, Shreveport, Louisiana. That's where I'm from.